I'll be honest, the world of affiliate marketing sounded daunting. On top of that, it sounded icky. There are a bunch of bro marketers out there who say they have the best kept secret and strategy for affiliate marketing. And that usually required investing heavily into ads and falling ill to hustle culture. But what about for the individuals who don't have the money for ads? Who wants to make a little side income from their blogs? Who wants to generate passive income from recommending products they love? Now, that has my name all over it. In this article, we're going to go back to the basics. We are going to be talking about what you should know about affiliate marketing, how to get started, and how to get paid. Ready to dip your toes into affiliate marketing? Let's get into it. What is affiliate marketing? In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is when you sell a product or service, usually not your own, for a small commission of the sale. You may think, why would I spend the time selling another person's product than my own? There are a lot of reasons. 1. You don't have a product to sell. 2. You don't want to deal with fulfilling the product's promise. 3. You don't want to deal with the overhead of time and money to create a product or service from the ground up. Even if you sell your own products, that doesn't mean you need to exclusively sell your own. Look at affiliate marketing as an opportunity to test your selling capabilities. If you can do it well with other people's products, you'll learn a couple of things that can help you sell your own products. How do I get started with affiliate marketing? Before we get into this, I need to get super clear on one thing. Do not sell affiliate products for a quick buck. Only sell products you 1000% stand by. If you're out to make money from affiliate marketing for a quick buck and you truly don't care about the impact it has to the end user, stop reading and click out of this article. Selling shitty products to an audience that trusts you damages your reputation, also it's just bad karma. Back to it. Don't overcomplicate the process of affiliate marketing. Start with the products you use day in and day out, the products that you love. More than likely, the company you purchase from has an affiliate program. If they don't, ask for one. You can usually find the affiliate program details on the footers, very bottom, of the company's website. Usually affiliate programs ask 3 things. 1. How do you plan to promote their product or service? 2. How would you like to get paid? Create a Stripe or PayPal account. 3. Would you like to have a personal discount code? Always say yes. How do you tell if the affiliate program is good? It always comes down to how they treat their affiliates. Do they provide their affiliates with marketing materials such as email templates, graphic design assets, a personal affiliate link? Or do they just give you a link but no helpful selling material with it? Also, look at the actual checkout process. Your goal as an affiliate is to send traffic. The company's responsibility is to do well on turning that traffic into sales. They need to have an easy way for people to purchase their products or services. They have to have great customer service. In short, you have to know they won't screw over your audience and thus damage your reputation. That is why I'm always an advocate of trying a product before actually promoting it. If you have a great experience as a customer, you know that your audience will as well. How do you organize all your affiliate products? I've created an affiliate bank that houses all my affiliate products. Here's a template, and here's my current affiliate bank for reference. https://youtube.b/blpss6jp3nw. How do I get paid with affiliate marketing? In my experience, most affiliate programs don't pay you at the time of the sale. There's usually a waiting period of about 30 to 45 days. Essentially, the company wants to make sure that the new customer doesn't cancel or refund their purchase. So it's important to make sure that with every affiliate sale you get, you create helpful content on how to use that product/service to help the new customer stick through. Finally, make sure you have a dedicated Stripe or PayPal account to have companies pay your commissions. Also, it's my recommendation that you start with an affiliate program that offers recurring commissions. Those recurring commission programs are usually prominent with software services. The reason I like them so much is because you only need to make a sale once. For every successful rebill, you can expect to get paid out a commission every month. If you're looking for more advanced level strategies, I recommend checking out these articles. https://lifewithtina.medium.com/list/affiliate marketing bc2f0ff76f0. Bonus: if you're looking for plug and play email templates to promote affiliate products, check out my affiliate toolkit. In summary, I've shared with you the basics of affiliate marketing. Now you know what affiliate marketing is, how to get started, and how to get paid. If you're looking for plug and play email templates to promote affiliate products, check out my affiliate toolkit.